How to fix your iPhone camera is not working and you're seeing a black screen. So if you're trying to open up the camera app and you're just seeing a black screen like so, then I'm going to show you 3 ways on how to go and solve this issue. So the first thing you need to do is obviously make sure there's nothing covering the camera on the back of your phone. So you can just try wiping the camera lens with a cloth if you need to. And once you've ensured there's nothing blocking the camera, we're going to head over to our home screen like so. You'll then need to bring up the settings page and then scroll down and click on General. Now select Software Update and just ensure you're running the latest version of iOS. So if there's any updates available here, you'll need to go and install these now. If it's still not working, then the next step is to try power cycling the device. So you can do this with a simple key combination. We're going to tilt our phone onto its side, and you're going to quickly press the volume up button, the volume down button, and then hold the lock screen button on the right hand side of your phone. Now continue to hold this button down until your screen goes completely black. Continue to hold the lock screen button down for about 10 more seconds and you'll see this Apple logo appear. You can then release the lock screen button and wait for your phone to restart. Once your phone's restarted, you can check to see if your camera is now working. Now if you're still seeing a black screen, there is one final solution. So head back over to the settings on your phone and scroll back down and click on General. Scroll down to the bottom of the page and select Transfer or Reset iPhone. You can then press Erase all content and settings, and then you can go through the steps to factory reset your phone. Now it's important to make sure all of your data is backed up before you do this, as this will essentially wipe your phone so it's like brand new when you first purchased it out of the box. Now once you've done this, you should be able to go and open the camera, and that should have fixed the black screen issue.